Welcome to the factory from province of Zhejiang for inverters and battery energy storages. Welcome to the SolaX Power factory. And the trip is right now starting. The ORI series consists of two parts. One is the battery container, second one is STS. Let's focus on the battery container, which consists of the battery modules and of course the capacity. The total capacity of this battery container can be 5015 kilowatt hours. And we can do a lot of those containers and we need to connect them within the STS. The ORI Smart Transformer Station consisting of PCSs with capacity of 215 kilowatt, the DC connection part where all of the PCSs will be connected with the battery containers, the transformer and medium voltage station, the medium voltage switchgear and the auxiliary transformer. This solution can be in many variants. We are having ORI 2500 kilovolt amperes, which is connected with one battery container. We can do 5000 kilovolt amperes and 7500 kilovolt amperes in the 40 feet container. This gives us to connection maximum 36 PCSs and allows us to be very flexible for the needs of the utility scale projects all over the Europe. We are right now on the back side of the battery container and we can see our liquid cooling system. The temperature difference is less than 3 degrees of Celsius, which ensures the right capacity and right efficiency for the whole system. The intelligent BMS, which enables us to monitor each battery cell which is inside, how every cell is going within the usage. And we can actually predict up to 7 days ahead what will actually happen with our batteries. About the safety, it's also about the electrical part of safety, because from the battery cell through battery module, through battery section and the PCS, we are having the layers of the safety. From the firefighting perspective, it's also about the construction of the whole system, because each battery module is having the combustion valve that is giving us possibility to release the pressure from the battery module and then release it also from the battery container. There is also some smoke detectors which are watching if there is some kind of gas inside. In the other hand, we are also having the fire extinguishing gas inside that will be spread all over the battery container to extinguish the flames. And also in the very final step, when there is no chance to survive, we can also use the water sprinkler inside to release the water inside. Also remember that this actually battery container can stop the flame from putting it outside for 2 hours. The ORI series containers are prefabricated containers with batteries inside. It shouldn't take less than 2 hours, and also for installing, we are right now in the part of the transformer station, which is oil cooled. So this actually transformer station is all-in-one solution for delivery. We are right now in the part of the PCSs when we can see 9 of them which are connected by the DC box here. This is the finish of the travel across our Tonglu factory. So I invite you to our factory or to place an ask of offer.